Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be making burritos. I'm going to be using shredded chicken, a rotisserie chicken that I bought, and I had it frozen but chopped in little pieces. And I'm also going to be using this. It's like a pico de gallo. I'll show it to you in a minute. It's like a pico de gallo. But I use, instead of cilantro, I use culantro. And since I had it left over there, I think it's gonna go fantastic with those burritos. And I'm gonna make them in the oven. So let me show you what else I have here to include in the burritos. Like I said, I have a little bit of chicken. This chicken was from a rotisserie chicken, which I had frozen there. It's already seasoned and cooked and everything, but I'm gonna put some more seasoning on it so that those burritos get a really intense flavor. And this is the pico de gallo, type pico de gallo that I made. It has lemon juice, but I'm gonna go ahead and drain the lemon juice so the burritos don't get too soggy. But this is what it is. It's onion, tomato, and culantro, and lemon juice, of course. And I'm going to be using one onion and like a quarter, just a little bit, like a quarter of a green pepper and about a quarter of a red pepper, so we can enhance the flavor of the chicken. So let's start here. Put a little bit of olive oil. The first thing I'm going to be adding is the onions. And might as well add the peppers too. Add everything here. We're also going to be adding to this garlic powder. Remember, that chicken is already seasoned and cooked and everything, but I want to make it a little extra special. Lemon pepper. Paprika. Cumin. Let me lower it. Cumin and turmeric. Yeah, it's like lately I've been adding a little bit of turmeric on almost every meal that I make. It's so good for you. Just put a little bit of turmeric. It's all for the powders. Now we're gonna add the chicken. Adds a little bit of water because it was frozen. And I'm gonna drain the lime or the lemon from the pico de gallo. I'm gonna drain and add it here. And let's just cook it there for a little bit. Okay, and corn, I'm gonna add some corn. About half a can. The corn always does the trick. Also gonna add a little bit of salt. It needs salt. And I got these Taco Bell hot sauce. I'm gonna add, I think, 2 of those. Okay, I'm gonna put 1 more. What the heck? Let's add one, a fire one. 2 hot and 1 fire. I don't want to put the Diablo because that will be way too much. Alright, I'm gonna let it consume that liquid. Let me lower the stove medium. Okay, so I had to drain most of the liquid, or all the liquid. I had to drain it because it was way too much. So I'm gonna turn the stove off and just let it cool off for a few minutes, and then we'll put the burritos together. So these are the flour tortillas that I'm using. It says burritos, and I'm gonna see how many I can make with that chicken mixture. Since the burritos, you have to seal them on one side, I'm gonna put them in the oven. Let me get this ready. Okay, so let me preheat the oven to 350. I'm gonna grease with a little bit of butter this pan. Okay, and 2 little dabs of butter. And let's start making those burritos. Alright, so we got this here, and we got the chicken mixture. I'm gonna put a little bit here in the middle. Let's see if this comes out right. The folding part, I mean. The folding part, I think you like this, and like this. No, like this, like this, like that. Let me put a little bit more stuff in it. I'm gonna put a little bit more. I don't want to skimp on the filling. Okay, and I read that so they don't unravel when they're cooking, to make a mixture of flour and a little bit of water. So I have like about a teaspoon of flour here, and I'm gonna add a little bit of water. Make sure the flour is dissolved. Okay, with the little brush, we're gonna paint it here. Like that. And then we're gonna close. But not only that, we're gonna put it with the, okay, with the second one. Seam up underneath. Like that. So let's try to do this and see how this works another way. Okay. close to seam. They look smaller, but they're really not. There, that one looks prettier. One more. Not quite. Almost, almost. I'm sorry, I'm not Mexican. Okay, I'm gonna make one more. Okay, so we're going to give it like a little egg wash. A little bit of salt and pepper on this egg wash. My son thinks that I'm ringing a bell for him to come to eat. I usually don't do that. He's asking if dinner is ready. It's not ready yet, Pops. It's not ready yet. He thought it was a dinner bell. He's starving. Okay, let's wash it. Let me put it over. This one I unfolded a little and I made it look nicer. Alright, now we're going to put it in the oven. It's at 350, so I'm going to put it for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes and see what happens. Okay, so they are ready. I put it for 15 minutes, but I had to add 15 more minutes. Stay. Oh my goodness. Look at this. Look at that, Ivan.
Yummy.
Ivan's been crazy waiting for dinner to be ready.
I'm starving.
I know, he's starving. Okay, so we're going to accompany our burritos with avocados. And
Show this.
yeah, and I put some salt, pepper, olive oil, and some of this balsamic glaze on them. But the main event here is the burritos. So this is Ivan's plate.
Hello, YouTube. All right,
So it might be hot, be careful.
Taste test. Let's see.
Be careful, it might be hot. Oh, nice and crunchy. Tell me, wait.
That's delicious.
Extra sauce.
That tastes delicious.
Okay, everybody. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you for watching. Hit the thumbs up. Comment if you have anything to say. And till next time.
Subscribe.
I'm dying to show you.
And may God bless you. And until the next time. Bye-bye.